Channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a presentation templates and sell this on Fiverr and sell this on Etsy and other platforms like Etsy. So first of all we'll go to Etsy. So guys, before we go to Etsy, I tell you that we can sell these presentation templates as a digital product. Digital product we can create a product one time only, and then it will automatically generate sales throughout your life. So first of all, uh, we will go to searching and here I write presentation templates. So as you can see, interior design portfolio template and massive PowerPoint presentation templates, minimal PowerPoint templates, Canva business PowerPoint presentation templates. So we will create like this one. As you can see, 1.8 k reviews and 2.84 USD price, and reviews are almost 2 to 3, maybe 10x less than the total sales. So this is the potential of the digital product. So I show you how you can create Canva business PowerPoint presentation templates. So we'll go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic design software available online, and it is very easy and handy to use. If you want to learn complete Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist called Canva designing course, and you can learn the Canva completely from there. So here I write presentations. Okay, so I click on create a blank, and as you can see there are almost 18,000 templates available. So here I search for business because I need business templates. So as you can see, I click on this, and this is the complete, sorry, this this is a complete 10-page website business template. And if you want to some other templates, this is 15 pages presentation template, 10 pages, 15 pages. So these are the presentation templates. So you just have to create a template from there, and also you can change the styles, you can change the layouts, and you can change the style, like change combination, etc. So it is your choice. And after that, uh, you should uh, collect the collection of templates from here, and then you can click on share, and only you can access, click on this, and anyone with the link, and the section option is can edit, not comment, not view, can edit, because the client needs to edit this because he wanted to enter his own details. So after that, when client enter his details and he click on download, and he can download in whatever format he want. So this is the main presentation template. So you can also choose business templates, and you can also choose, like if you want to education templates, so click on education, and as you can see there are also education PPTs, so you can easily create them. So this is a very useful feature of Canva, and you can use it as a like freelancing skill or as a digital products. You can also sell this skill to students and etc. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.